the Golden Nugget. One thing's evident about downtown. You know you're downtown without even knowing you're downtown because it's so tight. Of course, it's a lot more crowded, but they also have their machines and their chairs real close. This isn't as bad as you'll see in just a minute. If you like non-stop action, the place to stay is downtown, anywhere downtown. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon and this place is packed. It'll be just like this in 3 o'clock in the morning too. Limit. See if the swimming pool is open. Yes, it is open.
Well, and that's what
This is the lobby. They have really good rooms here. They keep them updated, very modern. So they have a fish tank in there that has sharks, and you slide through it from up there. Oh, there's the tube, and then you slide in a glass tube. You can look at the sharks while you're going through there, or you can shut your eyes. That's a big shark right there.
There is a shark.
It's definitely the most popular pool downtown. Well, no, I guess Circa is now, but this is old school swimming pool. This was the king of swimming pools for a long, long time till Circa came to town. Circa has that big TV screen out by their pool, but it costs $15 to go in there, even if you're a gambler. Unless, I guess, if you're invited, I guess you could get it for free.
Cadillac Mexican kitchen. Ooh, that meat looks good.
Frozen margarita, $10. A picture of them, $30. Cadillac punch, $25. Not bad. They don't say what the beer price is. Probably $8 at least. Good looking cocktails. Everything is real classy in the Golden Nugget. There's some big ass fish in that aquarium. I like the way you can get in the shade. That's the parking garage out there, and there's more rooms down there. That's the newer tower. But all the rooms here are, even the old tower is completely updated. Probably as good a room as you're going to get anywhere downtown, even though the Circa is brand new. But really, there isn't a bad room downtown. The only problem is a lot of them are real small. Like the Golden Gate, you can't have your suitcase open and have the bed at the same time. You have to close the suitcase and zip it up, put it next to the bed to go to sleep. Unless you want to sleep with a suitcase, what I did one night. That's how small it is. And you got to walk sideways when you go around the bed to go to the bathroom. But that's part of the character. There's some more casino up there. What this is back here, can't remember. Oh, that's a restaurant, Chart House. You got a nice aquarium up there. Downtown is so much improved. They improve it, and every year it gets better. It gets better for cleanliness and safety. It doesn't get better for their their policies. But they got to do it for security, because if not, there'd be all kind of bad people coming down here. Well, they're already down here. They just don't get to come in.
Downtown's trying to push the homeless to the Strip. All right, that's Golden Nugget.